Welcome back, and thanks for joining me. Today, it's not Sunday, it's Wednesday, and I just couldn't wait. So, this may be a new series in my shave videos of Will It Shave or I Can't Wait Wednesdays. I don't know, but let's get this started. Today, I'm going to start out with the Semogue 820 boar brush. This is a new one. I've already kind of did the pre-break-in, but I'm going to go ahead and get that thing soaking. And for my pre-shave, I'm going to go with the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, the Cube, not to be mistaken with my Ice Cube Aftershave routine. So, going to go ahead and apply it on the face. Face is a little bit wet. This is a mentholated cube. You can smell it first thing. Are you excited? Can you figure out? You just can't wait to see what I'm going to be shaving with. That's pretty slick. I have used the cube in the past, just not on video. So, what I couldn't wait for is this little gem, the Mag T razor. It comes in this box. Some paperwork. Nice presentation. Even comes with some Astra blades. I will not be using those today. This is the thing we've all been waiting for, or at least I have. Nice little logo on the top. Magnetic cap. Every time I try out a new razor, I always use the Gillette silver blue blade. That's what we're going to be using today. As soon as I can get it out of the wrapper. You just lay that in there. Look at the magnet on that. It's already pulling that blade right into position. Beautiful. I just got a notification on my phone that my battery is at 30%. Let's hope she makes it through. And I'm going to be using Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Good Vibrations. Definitely a clean summer scent. It's a barbershop scent, and to me, compared to some of the other barbershop scents, it's more of a sweet. You know, I can pick up the vanilla in it, and I like some sweet scents. I'm going to be using the Black Frog House ceramic bowl. I've only used this a few times. It's a handmade bowl, so you can see it's not perfect, but I mean, it's pretty cool in my opinion. I'm going to get the soap and put it in the bowl here. Get that smeared around. It's all over the place. Got me an elephant walking around up there. Nothing new. Nothing new. Exciting day. All right, got the brush has been soaking. Try my best not to clank it around in the bowl. How's your shaves going this week? Comment below if you have one of these bowls. Doesn't take very long. It starts coming to life. I might add just a little bit more extra water in there. That notification for my batteries bugging me. Let me see if I can clear it. There you go. All right. I'll say it's time to lather. By the way, on the cube pre-shave, I can feel the menthol kicking in already, which is nice. Sometimes I just can't get that little spot without getting the whole ear. It's going to be fine, just fine. I do want to congratulate Melly Mel. If you haven't checked out his channel, check it out. But he made the 1,000 subscriber mark this weekend. Great job. Congratulations. With the razor. Will It Shave Wednesday begins today with the Mag T. Open comb. I was hoping for a little bit more aggression. Still pretty nice. Rinses out decently. Two days worth of growth. This thing is pretty hefty. It's not stainless steel. It's some kind of a mixed alloy. And, you know, there's been people talk about whether they want to hold it here or here. And, of course, there's not really any grip here. But you can see on the edge, you know, if you are gripping it, your finger is still going to get some of the grip there and there. That scent on that soap is very nice. When you bloom it, or not bloom it, but whenever you lather it up, the smell just seems to come alive. Sometimes the soap kind of encapsulates that scent, and then once you add the water and start working it, it releases that aroma. Nice. Might have been able to put a little bit more water in that soap. Plenty of residual slickness, not to mention all the extra that I left on my face. In between passes, I like to just kind of work that in, see if I've missed any areas. Can't wait to use that aftershave splash. let's take a look at what we got left in the brush and some of what's in the bowl. I try to go a little bit sparingly on the soap because, you know, when you've got this much left over, it's kind of a shame to put it down the sink. Pretty good stuff. Got to rinse my hands pretty good. Don't want this massive razor slipping out of my hand. I'm going to go across the grain. Slippery. Maybe I'll shave with this hand. Back to this hand. You have to put a little bit of pressure on with this one. Check it out. Smooth. Off camera here, got a bowl of cold water and do a cold water rinse. And take two. Getting that ear since I had to get so close. Ice cube. The menthol in the pre-shave cube was not overpowering. Seemed like it was just enough. I'm sure if I left it on and then applied my lather, excuse me, it would probably continue to become colder. Nice. Lancaster black sheep. Ragweed is going crazy for me, so I've got a little going on. Matching splash. This one does have, this bottle does have the original restrictor, which I like. I like that. Definitely some good vibrations. Let's see here. Don't worry, I got one more thing coming. Star jelly. Phoenix does have star jelly in a lot of the scents. I just choose to get the unscented one. That way I can use it for everything. All right, will it shave Wednesday? Yes, it will. Aggression on this, not real aggressive. To me, it's still on the mild side. I would say anyone could shave with it and it not have an issue. Still got a little bit of soap on there, but pretty nice razor. Feels a little different in the hand. You could definitely shave with it this way if you wanted to. I just was holding it that way. Don't know, just kind of felt more natural to me. If you're worried about it slipping out of your hands, I don't really think you're going to have an issue with that. You know, just grip a little tighter. You would think that squeezing it here might push it up in your hand. I didn't have any issues with it, but your mileage may vary. Well, if you've made it this far, I appreciate you guys watching, and you know, I do like to share my shave experiences with you. Like I said in the last video, that's why I'm doing it. I will put a picture right here with everything that I used today. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I appreciate it. You have a good shave.